What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and yes, it is a very good day. And you're probably already asking, Caleb, what in the hell are you sitting in? Well, here's your first clue. That's all you get. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is an SSP. This is a recent addition to the shop. I don't even have all the info on the car yet, but we're going to quiz Dover about that very shortly. There's Mr. Hanky. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, SSP. She's had a rough life, as any SSP has, but seems solid. Seems pretty solid. And interior's a little dirty, but that's okay. It's good. It's all good. Very, very nice. We love it. And there's the beater. So, what we have today, ladies and gentlemen, is a big day. Today we're going to mate the engine, the transmission, and the rear end with my car. I think, provided everything goes smooth, because this is not made for TV and we don't produce these over weeks at a time with huge budgets and unlimited parts, just making it rain. The goal today is to get everything put together. In the trunk right here, I have the clutch, the flywheel, and a lot of the miscellaneous hardware that I need for my car to get it finished. And of course, Mr. Chris is here today in the GT500. Hold on, let's take a look at the GT500, see what's going on. Yes, she's a beast. She's a beast. But anyway, guys, let's go in the shop, see what's popping off. And of course, the 93 GT. Haven't done much else with it, but drivetrain is in it. All right.
Yeah, making something nice to work with people, that makes all the difference in the world. You know, versus people that don't want to deal with you at all.
What are we doing here, guys?
PG, man, it's PG.
Okay. Yeah, we have to cover the camera. You're not allowed to see that we actually have a 2-speed power glide in Corey's car. No one's allowed to know that, right, Corey?
That's right.
No one's allowed to know this is a fully built power glide that was in Dover's like 1,500 horsepower notchback and is.
You can change your
But hopefully on this episode we get to see some more passes. Hopefully it'll do a little better with this transmission. That's the goal. But and of course there's Chris, brought the 500 out today. So today we need to bolt this engine to this transmission. And then once we do that, we need to put a long piece of metal between it that goes to the rear end so that we can actually turn the tires. But that's the goal. See what we can do here. All right, so here we go. About to start bolting stuff together. We have transmission, we have clutch, flywheel, miscellaneous bolts, and then of course we got the Stifler's cross member. This cross member is actually made for a Fox body to retrofit. As you can see, T45, T3650, T56, Turbo 400. I mean, this thing is made to handle several different transmissions, and you're actually going to use a Fox body T5 mount for this. So it's going to be super cool, but that's going to hold it up in the bottom. And so we need to start putting stuff together. Alright guys, so it's been a little crazy here. Cody, as you can see, he's been sweating. Cody actually did the EVAP block off plate from Power by the Hour. We have blocked that off. Of course, the clutch is on. Ken torqued it down to spec. The clutch is good. We're ready. What is he doing? Corey, what are you doing?
Making a lot of noise.
Dude, you're just like...
So we're going open header?
You're going wild with this thing. So as you can see, the drive shaft is in, the 2-speed power glide is in.
Yeah, from last weekend? Yeah.
It is, it's time to put the transmission in. Right there. It's time.
Yeah.
It is time.
Yeah, I'll
The
make sure you guys do that.
handling trans is about to go in. The only question is, will we be able to get around the headers? That's going to be tight. But we're about to find out. So here we go.
Ken, you know that transmission you had a hard time getting in before lunch? Take it out on me.
Well, the plastic back you want.
Yeah.
Trying to make me do a dry run.
I'm trying to make it as clean as possible.
Are you putting that in dry?
Trying to make me do a dry run. Where's the...
Throw it there, it's right there in the box.
I don't think that's gonna hold you up.
I hope not.
I think it's
I think that header's gonna
headers,
hold
but
it.
whatever.
Alright, Cody, get the beer.
What am I supposed to grab?
The rear.
Who's rear?
Caleb tail shaft.
Who's tail shaft?
Caleb's.
There's a side mount.
I don't know.
Come on, baby.
I'm seeing a header coming
Not
off.
gonna do it.
Yeah, that header's
The header's gonna come off.
Hold that.
Yeah. Which means the K member's gonna have to come off.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Of course, it had to be this side header. The hardest.
Come up a little bit. Don't the motor need to come up a little bit?
Yeah, well, yeah, just a little bit.
Come on up. Don't let that transmission
All right.
fall off.
Who's in there?
Woohoo!
Still.
Is it gonna go around the header?
Nah, it's still.
There you go, there you go.
Hell yeah. Where's it involved?
Oh, it's no turn.
Suspended or something.
No, there you go. Okay, you're lined up now.
At the bottom, they got a gap a mile wide. It's coming now. Hold on. Get in the header, ain't it?
Let me move this header.
Yeah, let me move that header.
It's under it, Jack.
They're all around here somewhere. We're gonna collect them before we go much further.
I think it's out here already. Should be alright. You say so much for in-car clutch change, huh?
Never gonna happen.
Yeah, never.
That's kind of not fun.
Told you should have went with zoomy headers.
Yeah, right? Alright, let's try this again. It's actually neutral this time, too. Look at that. There we go.
Alright, I think we can put a bolt in there.
Where, you know where they're at? She's mated. She's mated. No, don't.
She's mated.
I would imagine.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are one. Been a long time coming. And the fantastic thing about the Coyote is we had to take the K-member back off, the the header back off, because there was no way that trans was going without it. And of course, just taking some of the header bolts off, you know, they're like 20 minutes a piece per bolt. But
For you.
for me, yes, I am not a seasoned professional. I don't even play one on TV. Looking good.
You know what now?
Yes.
You can put it back on.
Yeah. That's gonna be a blast. I love it. Alright guys, so where we're at right now is transmission, clutch, all that is together as you just seen. We got to put the header back on, we got to put the starter back on, put the K-member back on, and we got to get Corey's car down and out. But it's going to take probably another hour to get this header back on. just being brutally honest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this short and we're going to finish up in the next upload and hopefully get this thing in the car. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and we'll holla. Later.